What's up guys, Justin the roofer here. Well, that's right, we're finally starting on the roof because the stucco is finally done. As you can see in a second, I'm up here, I'll show you what we've done so far. Sharon's down there diligently working away on the next panel. Let's flip you around. You can see there's the stucco looking at the west wall there, the south wall over here. Looks pretty good, has this nice smooth finish and kind of came out really the way we wanted thanks to Kevin and the guys. Since that's finally done, we can do the roofing. The reason we had to wait is because, as you can see, we have this eaveless situation going. So the drip edge of the roof tucks tight against the wall of the house. And so they have to obviously get the plaster behind the drip edge, so we can't install that until they're done. So with that in mind, we're finally chugging away here at roofing. The drip edges are done all the way around. Those actually don't cover very much, but take surprisingly quite a bit of time. There's a lot of angles to figure out with these folds, as you can see here, and the notches you got to cut to allow for everything to come together just right. If you're thinking about DIY roofing, make sure you also have a wife that's good at origami, because I can never figure all this out. And make sure one of you is good at climbing on roofs, which is my specialty. So let's go up and take another look at the surface. All right, now I'm up on the roof. So this underlayment, this shark skin stuff you maybe saw in a video a while back, has held up surprisingly well. They say it's rated for 12 months, and it's been 12 months since it's been keeping us dry all winter. So here's the top edge of the drip edge. You can see we've got it screwed down and flashed back to the underlayment. And this is our first panel. It's windy, hopefully you can hear me. So we got our first panel on here, tucks around as it gets folded and it grabs the drip edge. So we're working on the next one for this side, and then we'll go all the way down and doing all the panels on both the east and the west side roof planes. Over here you can see it has this clip system, so these clips screw to the roof and that holds the panel down, and then the next one's going to come and lock over the top of it, and then it just repeats itself all the way down 30 times. Okay, that's it. See you later.